Do you want to become a millionaire? It's a question that sparks curiosity and ambition in many of us. The journey to that seven-figure mark isn't just about the destination, though. It's about the path you take to get there. Welcome to our guide, where we'll be exploring 8 principles that can help you navigate this journey effectively. These are not just arbitrary tips, but rather proven strategies that have been adopted by some of the most successful individuals in the world. To become a millionaire, you don't need to be born into wealth or win the lottery. All you need is a clear plan and the determination to follow through. Today, we'll be your guide, providing you with the roadmap to reach that coveted millionaire status. From developing a millionaire mindset to embracing failure and learning from it, we'll delve into principles that can transform your financial future. Are you ready to discover the 8 principles that can lead you to a millionaire's lifestyle? Stick around. Principle number 1, embrace a millionaire mindset. The subconscious mind is a powerful asset, and when it comes to money and success, millionaires understand this well. They don't view money as a scarce commodity, but as an abundant resource that is always within reach. Millionaires believe in their ability to create wealth and hold a positive outlook on their financial future. This mindset is not about dreaming big without action. It's about having the confidence to take calculated risks, knowing that setbacks are merely stepping stones to success. It's about understanding that money is a tool that can be used to build the life they desire. So what does this mean for you? It means shifting your perspective. Instead of thinking, "I can't afford this," ask yourself, "How can I afford this?" Challenge your limiting beliefs about money and success and replace them with empowering thoughts. Adopting a millionaire mindset is the first step on your journey to wealth. Moving on to principle number 2, develop multiple income streams. This principle underscores the significance of not putting all your financial eggs in one basket. It's about having diverse sources of income to fortify your financial stability. Think about it this way. If you rely solely on your 9-to-5 job, what happens if you lose it? On the other hand, if you have multiple income streams, the loss of one won't be as devastating. You could have a part-time job, run a small business, invest in stocks, or rent out property. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of having multiple income streams is that it not only provides a safety net, but also opens up opportunities for wealth accumulation. You're essentially creating a financial buffer while also paving the way to grow your wealth. Remember, relying on a single income is a risky strategy. Diversify your income streams. Let's dive into principle number 3, invest wisely. Now, it's no secret that investing is a vital part of wealth accumulation, but it's not just about throwing your money at any opportunity that comes your way. It's about making smart, calculated decisions. Imagine your money as seeds. If you plant them in fertile soil, give them the right amount of water and sunlight, they will grow. The same goes for investments. You need to put your money in the right places, at the right time, and with the right amount of risk. Remember, wealth accumulation isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about long-term growth, not instant gratification. So take your time, do your research, understand the market, be patient and persistent, and most importantly, be wise about where you put your money. Investing wisely isn't just about becoming rich, it's about creating a sustainable future. Investing wisely is a key principle in the Millionaire Playbook. Next up, principle number 4, live below your means. It's a simple concept, but it's often the hardest to put into practice. Living below your means isn't about penny pinching or denying yourself pleasures. It's about making conscious choices, understanding the difference between what you want and what you need. Imagine this. You've received a pay raise. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle, a new car, a bigger house, consider saving that extra income. This is the essence of living below your means. It's not about earning more to spend more. It's about earning more to save more. You see, millionaires understand the value of money. They know that every penny saved is a penny earned. They appreciate that money is a tool that, when used wisely, can create wealth. So they save more than they spend, invest wisely, and grow their wealth over time. Living below your means is a golden rule in the journey to becoming a millionaire. Moving forward to principle number 5, always be learning. Imagine your brain as a bank account. The more knowledge you deposit, the richer it becomes. In the realm of wealth creation, continuous learning is an invaluable investment. It's about expanding your skills, understanding new concepts, and staying ahead of the curve. Consider this: the world of finance and entrepreneurship is constantly evolving. If you stand still, you're essentially moving backward. To keep up, you need to be a lifelong learner. Read books, attend webinars, enroll in courses, or find a mentor. Remember, the most successful people in the world are those who are incessantly curious, those who are always asking questions, always seeking to understand more. They understand that every piece of knowledge acquired is another tool in their financial toolbox. So, don't just sit back and let the world pass you by. Invest in your mind. Your future self will thank you. Never stop learning if you want to keep growing your wealth. On to principle number 6. Network with successful people. It's often said that we are the sum of the 5 people we spend the most time with. Now, consider the power of surrounding yourself with individuals who've walked the path of success. These are the people who can offer valuable insights and advice gained from their own experiences. They can open doors to opportunities that you might not have been privy to otherwise. Networking isn't just about exchanging business cards at a conference. It's about building meaningful, mutually beneficial relationships. It's about learning from the best, absorbing their mindset, their habits. It's about staying inspired and motivated to reach your own goals. And remember, networking is a two-way street. As you grow, you too can provide value to your network. You might just become the successful individual others aspire to network with. Remember, your network is your net worth. Let's discuss principle number 7. Set goals and visualize achieving them. Setting goals is a fundamental step towards financial success. It's like mapping out a journey. Without a clear destination, you might end up anywhere, but with a goal in mind, every step you take is a step towards your desired outcome. Now let's talk about visualization. It's not just about daydreaming of your goals, it's about truly feeling and seeing your success. Imagine your life as a millionaire. What does it look like? How does it feel? By visualizing your success, you are programming your subconscious mind to believe in your goals. This belief fuels your determination and resilience, making you unstoppable in your pursuit. Remember, your mind is a powerful tool. Use it to your advantage. So, set your financial goals, believe in them, and visualize the success you desire. Setting goals is not enough. You must visualize achieving them. Finally, principle number 8. Embrace failure and learn from it. You see, failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of it. Every millionaire, every innovator, every trailblazer has faced failure. It's an inevitable stepping stone on the path to success. But what separates those who make it from those who don't is their approach to failure. Instead of viewing it as an end, successful individuals see failure as a teacher. It's a chance to learn, to grow, to refine your strategy. It's the world's way of telling you that there's something you need to improve. So when you fail, don't get discouraged, don't let it define you. Instead, analyze what went wrong, understand why it happened, implement changes, move forward with new knowledge and a refined strategy. And remember, every failure brings you one step closer to success. It's all about perspective. Embrace failure, learn from it and move forward. It's a part of the millionaire's journey. Now that we've covered all 8 principles, let's do a quick recap. We started by embracing a millionaire mindset, shifting our perspective to see wealth not as a luxury, but as a necessity. Then we discussed the importance of developing multiple income streams, not putting all your eggs in one basket. We moved on to investing wisely, making your money work for you instead of the other way around. We also talked about living below your means, saving more than you spend to accumulate wealth over time. Then, we emphasized the importance of always learning, expanding your knowledge and skills to increase your value. We touched on networking with successful people, learning from those who've already achieved what you aspire to. We also discussed setting goals and visualizing achieving them, giving your dreams a clear direction. Lastly, we talked about embracing failure and learning from it, turning every setback into a setup for a comeback. Remember these 8 principles? Apply them, and you might just find yourself on the path to becoming a millionaire. Thanks for watching.